Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
my name is teacher Jonna. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Mike.
How old are you, Mike? Okay. Now for the speaking test, I want you to look at these pictures and I'm going to ask you about jobs. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is his job?
Is cow.
He is a clown. Okay.
She is a cook.
Mm-hmm.
She is a dentist.
Mm-hmm.
He is doctor. He is farmer. She is film star. She is nurse. He is
Pirate.
pirate. He is pop star.
Good. Okay, now for the next part, it's called Picture Story. Okay, and the story is about children like painting. Now look at picture 1. Where are they?
They are drawing
Where are they? In the
in the class in the house.
Yes, which room?
The room is living
Yes, they are in the
room.
living room. What are Claire and Julia doing?
Claire and Julia is drawing. Drawing
Drawing
and paint.
and good. What is mom doing in picture 2?
Mom is drawing.
Yes.
Mom is drawing.
Hmm?
Drawing.
Picture 2. Mom is.
Mom is phone.
What is she doing on the phone? She is. She is talking, yes or no? Yes. Is Charlie sitting on a chair?
Baby.
Mm-hmm. Is he sitting on the chair?
No.
No. Picture 3, what is Charlie doing?
Charlie is drawing
On the
on the wall.
good. Picture 4, what is mom doing now?
Mom is angry.
Angry. Why?
Uh,
She is
she is
pointing
pointing
to the
to the shadow.
to Charlie. Okay, good. That's it for the picture story. Now for the last part, we're going to describe people. Okay? Now what is he got?
He is beer.
He's got.
He is beer.
Mm-hmm. She's got
She was
blonde hair. Blonde hair.
she was light.
Hmm? She's got curly hair.
He has got light.
Light or fair? Fair hair. He is
He is short.
okay.
She has got shower hair. Shower hair.
Straight.
Straight hair.
9, 8.
It is tall.
He is
He is tall. 9
He's thin. And
He have got mustache.
Mustache. Okay. Now let's talk about yourself and your friends. Can you describe yourself, Mike? I've got straight hair and again, I have got
Just hair
straight hair
and
and I am fat. Okay, and so now can you describe your English teacher? She's got and she is okay. That's it for our speaking test again. Goodbye.